does time, wealth, and money means? Time. Time is a resource for businesses. It is pricey and exhaustible like other resources. Planning and carrying out take time. Your business's success may therefore depend on how you use or abuse your time. Think about the importance of time to your company. Any firm operates within a budget, whether one is created in advance or is discovered as the organization grows. Additionally, time is a factor in any budget. A day, a month, a quarter, and a year all have a certain number of hours. Employees might work full or part-time hours. Processes at work require a specified time. Additionally, customers place orders for timely delivery. Therefore, improving how you use your time or hiring workers who have their own time available are the only options to grow your resource. There are 24 hours in a day for one person, 48 hours for two people in the same day, etc. Wealth. Wealth is a household net worth, which is the entire value of assets minus any debt, hence, liabilities, is frequently used to measure wealth. Accordingly, if a person or family has an asset, they may be considered affluent, depending on the amount of debt they have and how much they consider themselves to be wealthy with respect to money. Wealth is typically either inherited or self-made. You must first decide what wealth means to you in order to develop riches. Once you're conscious of your own definitions, you may start gathering data and developing a wealth-building strategy. You really have to think about what you want out of it to start accumulating money. It is helpful to determine your net worth by deducting your debt from your assets. The next step is to create a wealth strategy, which includes important elements like saving, investing, paying off debt, and safeguarding the assets you amass. Money. Money is a good that is widely acknowledged as a means of economic exchange. It is the primary indicator of wealth and the means by which prices and values are conveyed. As currency, it travels anonymously from one person to another and from one nation to another, allowing trade. You can use money as a tool to help you reach your goals. It can give your family security and comfort, facilitate future planning, and enable you to set aside money for significant milestones. You must learn how to make your money work for you in order to accomplish these goals, though. Here are 3 ways to make your money work for you. 1. Set specific financial goals. If you want to invest your money in a channel that will multiply, you must first set a financial goal. You must be sure that your long-term financial objectives will be to your benefit. Having a stream of passive income might help you fulfill goals like buying a house at a given age or stage in your life, retiring early, moving to a new nation, or even getting a new apartment, purchasing a car, etc. 2. Invest to increase your income. A truly wonderful way to increase your financial portfolio and build your money is through investing. Depending on your talents, you can invest in a variety of tools and assets. Treasury bills are the safest and most reliable investment option. Investing in the stock market, mutual funds, real estate, or a startup are some other excellent investment strategies. 3. Have streams of passive income. Passive income is money you make without exerting any effort, separate from the wages and salaries you receive on a regular basis. Instead, you use something you already own, like a rental property, to make money. Dividends from stock investments, royalties, and revenue from product sales are further types of passive income. In order to get started, you might still exert some work, but not as much as you would for a full-time employment. One of the finest methods to supplement your income is through side jobs. The additional income flow can be applied to your debt and interest payments, weekly needs, or savings. Having passive income sources is advantageous, especially in the COVID-19 era. If an active income stream falters, passive income can act as a backup. Around the world, millions of individuals have lost their jobs, which were their main sources of active income. Many of them have applied for unemployment as a result of these losses. A person is only permitted to have a certain number of active revenue sources at any given moment. Working numerous jobs can be quite time and energy consuming, which can affect how well one performs in each position. A great way to increase your overall income stream is through passive income. But not all sources of passive income are created equal. With today's technology breakthroughs, getting started on your own passive income is relatively simple thanks to the internet. Investing in a business, authoring a song, publishing a book, and starting a blog or YouTube channel that can generate advertising revenue are all examples of common passive income sources. The best part about all of these is that you can complete them in the convenience of your own home. However, just like a conventional job or an active revenue stream, passive income streams are not always applicable. Since not everyone is a musician, not everyone would feel comfortable creating a song. But the beauty of passive income is that you can benefit from your special abilities and your skills. A licensed fitness instructor, for instance, may design an online exercise routine. One training program will only need to be made once, but once it is available for purchase, individuals can keep buying it for years to come. Creating online courses for subjects in which you are an expert is often an excellent approach to get passive money. Additionally, since YouTube videos can earn you money from advertisements, you can just use it to share your skills or expertise. You may start a blog or even produce an ebook if you are good at writing. A blog can be a fantastic method to generate ad revenue, much like YouTube. A blog may require a bit more writing than an ebook, but an ebook has a bigger earning potential because you might actually sell the finished product. Aside from making money from ads, you can also utilize YouTube to just offer your expertise or abilities. You might start a blog or even produce an ebook if you have writing talent. An excellent approach to generate ad revenue is through a blog, much like YouTube. While creating an ebook might need a little bit more time than maintaining a blog, the possibility of making money from the finished product makes it more lucrative. You can add value to yourself through passive income even while you are not actively working. It's a terrific opportunity to supplement your income while giving yourself more time to devote to the activities you enjoy. What abilities do you have that you could employ to establish a new source of passive income? You can use these abilities to start your passive income stream with a little time and investigation. In conclusion, our soul connections, dignity, health, intelligence, and delight in the little things of life shouldn't be sacrificed for money. Be wise. Work smart. Let your money work for you.